I'm Henry with Brainstorm Acres, and we're going to take a little trip down to see how the straw bale garden is going. This is the last update as part of the collaboration, but I'm going to continue using these bales for a couple more months. Well, we came back from our long trip this summer to a heavily abused garden, including the straw bales, but the straw bales survived amazingly well. Irene gave a shot of fertilizer to all of these plants. We've improved the watering, and they're coming back quite well. The cucumbers are doing really nicely now. They're not as big as they would be had they been properly cared for this summer, but something's better than nothing. Our patty pan squash plant is doing really well. We have a whole stack of small patty pans on it that we'll be able to eat pretty quickly. And the star of this bed are our cantaloupes. We've been working to grow cantaloupes here for 12 or 13 years. We've had one harvest come off. Other years they've been eaten by antelope, rats, rabbits, and all manner of vermin. But this year, this bed is doing amazingly well. We have 3 cantaloupes that are well on their way to ripening up. We have some nice little summer squash here. 2 that we'll be able to pick off in the next couple of days. My jade cucumbers are coming back to life and are really putting out some blossoms that are actually going to produce cucumbers, which is awesome. So all in all, straw bale gardening this summer was a qualified success for us. I think if we'd had a little more care taken while we were gone, it had really done awesome. So I'm going to take you over and take a look at the beds that we did with the tomatoes and peppers. That's a little bit different story. These peppers are doing great. The plants aren't real big, but they're putting on some nice peppers. Our poblanos over there, we've had to do some harvesting in order to keep the branches from breaking. It's a small plant, but has some nice peppers on it. Our espalettes are doing really nicely. Now for the sad part of this bed. We have a few tomato plants that we've managed to salvage. The nice thing is they're trying to put out flowers and set fruit. Hopefully we'll get something off from them before it freezes. I'd like to thank everybody who participated in this straw bale gardening collaboration. It was fabulous. We had people from across the United States participating. We had people in the Pacific Northwest, here in northern Arizona, in Virginia. It was all helped by our friend CB at CB's Greenhouse and Garden. And a very important part of our collaboration was Opie at Brew City Gardener. So thanks to everybody who participated, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next year for some more straw bale gardening. Except for me, I'm going to continue. I have probably another 2 months that I can grow outside. Wish me luck.